Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel Dubai Fashionista Vlogs and welcome to another vlog. Today you guys will be visiting Splash Fashion, so let's check the store out. Splash Fashion presents a collection of luxury formal dresses that blend traditional elegance with fashion trends. This season's collection is diverse and designed to cater to various tastes and occasions. Among the standout pieces are luxurious satin maxi dresses featuring intricate corset details, which provides a flattering fit. The latest collection also includes shimmering A-line ball gowns, which bring a sense of sophistication to formal events, perfect for those who want to make a statement. You can visit the stores nearby or can also shop online. They have a wide variety of options, ensuring there is something for everyone looking to achieve a glamorous look on this special day. They have really beautiful long dresses with sequence work. You can check them all out and you will be amazed by the fine work they have done on the dresses. The prices are also very reasonable. I hope you will like today's video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.